Think you need a giant backyard to have a successful garden? Well, think again. In this video, you'll see how to start an oasis, right in the middle of the city. Step 1. Choosing the right location. Consider placing your garden on either a balcony, windowsill, or backyard. Both wind and lack of sunlight are common problems in balcony gardens. Assess your space to find an area with the most sunlight and the least wind. Step 2. Selecting plants and their containers. Use pots with drainage holes, and consider vertical gardening to take advantage of the above balcony space by using hanging baskets. Research plants that are suitable for your area. Balconies are great spots for tomatoes, herbs, leafy greens, and peppers. A windowsill is great for herbs, cacti, and succulents. Since you will be growing in containers, choose a light and fluffy potting mix as your soil type. Number 3. Maintenance. To ensure a thriving garden, caring for it is required. Water your plants when about an inch of the soil is dry. Fertilize every few weeks or months, depending on the plant. Routinely inspect both above and under leaves for pests, such as mites or aphids. Apply natural chemicals if necessary. Make sure to prune your plants every few months, to encourage growth, reduce disease, and improve overall appearance. Once your garden has been established, you can now harvest produce, and enjoy all the greenery.